One of the pioneering innovations from Shivani Scientific for IVF solutions is Spermfuge, an improvised centrifuge unit that has revolutionized semen processing and has made significant inroads in most of the andrology laboratories. By regulating the main parameter of temperature and thus enhancing not only sperm kinetics but also the fertility potential, thus enhancing the ART results. Spermfuge has been designed to regulate and subsequently maintain the critical inner chamber temperature before, after and during centrifugation. The key features of Spermfuge are G-force control and centrifugation. The exact indication of G-force helps the formation of an ideal sperm pellet by subjecting the sperm to a precise G-force. Temperature regulation. It is essential as it eliminates temperature variation, which may result in impending sperm motility, longevity, and generation of ROS. Intelligent control system. The 3 levels of braking in Spermfuge certify smooth and accurate braking. This ensures zero pellet disruption, ensuring pellet integrity and ideal compaction. Sealed buckets. Ensure zero contamination due to the specially devised sealed bucket. Set and run option for quick run. This allows a maximum speed of 800 G. This speed restriction is provided to safeguard the DNA integrity. Multiple programs. Spermfuge has 9 user-defined programs that allow the ease of access and compliance. Users can select RCF, RPM, tube size, temperature and time for each program by a digital encoder. Spermfuge is backed up with scientific results. Spermfuge has a history of proven success, with over 1,000 installations in more than 30 countries. Clinically proven with published studies. It has been in operation for over 16 years. CE ISO 13485 certified. More than 500,000 samples have been prepared in this gadget till date. Shivani Scientific is committed to innovation, quality products and professional after-sales service to ensure and continue co-creating IVF success for years to come. Contact us soon.